In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a change for a task marked for approval in Asana. When you're working with approval workflows in Asana, it's common to come across tasks that are almost there, but need a few tweaks before they can be fully approved. Instead of approving something that isn't quite ready or outright rejecting it, Asana gives you a middle option. You can request changes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're in the correct project in your Asana workspace. You'll want to be in the list, board, or any other view where you can see the tasks that are marked for approval. Once you're there, start by clicking on the specific task that you want to review. This opens the task details pane on the right side of your screen. Take a moment to review the task thoroughly. Look at the task description, any attached files, subtasks, comments, and the due date. This helps you be specific about what needs to be changed, which will save time for both you and the person who created the task. Now, at the top of the task details pane, you should see the approval options. Since this task is set up as an approval, you'll see options like approve, request changes, or sometimes reject, depending on how your workflow is configured. What you want to do here is click on the request changes option located above in that approval section. When you click request changes, Asana will prompt you to add a comment or some notes describing what needs to be updated. This is your chance to be as clear and constructive as possible. For example, you might mention that a file needs updating, some information in the description is missing, or certain criteria haven't been met yet. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for the assignee to make the correct revisions. After you've written your feedback, confirm the request. Once it's submitted, the task status will update to reflect that changes have been requested, and the assignee will be notified inside Asana. They can then review your notes, make the necessary edits, and resubmit the task for approval. That's all there is to it. Click into the task you want to review, choose request